tutorial for counting my blessings on ukulele. The really fun thing about this song is it has a really pretty finger-picking guitar part on it, and I'm going to transfer that to two different styles on the ukulele. The first one's a little bit harder, and then the second one is slightly simplified. So the main thing about this song is that it's a 6/8 song, so it's pretty fast, but it sounds really pretty because it's one of those swaying songs. So the finger-picking pattern is on 4 of those 6 beats, which translates really well to 4 of the ukulele strings. So starting at the top, we're going to take our thumb and just pluck all the way to the bottom for those 4 of the 6 beats. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we speed that up a little, it'll sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the thing with 6/8 is we need to emphasize the 1 and the 4. And on this song, we really emphasize the 4. So that last note, we want to play really, really hard. So going through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Now the song is even faster than that. A little too fast for me to count. So I'll go ahead and play through the song, trying to hear those emphasized beats of the 1 and the 4. Here's how it goes. Oh, that was a little too slow still. It's like it was yesterday, was praying for a miracle, scared to have a little hope, and now looking back today and seeing all the things you've done, I can't even add them up. 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. I run out of numbers before I could thank you for everything. God, I'm still counting my blessings. Alright, now for way number 2, we're going to emphasize just that 1 and 4, and those are the only beats we're going to play. The way we're going to do that is our thumb's going to play 1, and these 2 fingers are going to play 4. We're going to place our thumb on our deepest string, which is the second from the top, and the other 2 fingers, we're going to place our thumb on the deepest string, which is the second from the top, and the other 2 fingers are going to go the next 2 strings. We're going to go 1, 4, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Let's try that in the context of the song. It's like it was yesterday, I was praying for a miracle, scared to have a little hope, and now looking back today, seeing all the things you've done, I can't even add them up. 1, 2, 3, up to